we are going to review ambient filter ng Absidy. So, ito ay all-in-one complexion enhancer na siya. With illuminator, foundation, skin tint, and primer. So, ito lahat ng swatches nila. Astra, Champagne, Moonstone, Sunkiss, and last, Cinnamon. So, ano kaya shade ko dito? Alamin na. So, we are going to blend this. So, ito yung kanilang bagong brush ng Absidy. Let's see if totoo yung, if maganda tong produkto nila. And claims to good to be true with this one. Dali siyang gamitin, guys, ha? Kasi this pretty goes a long way with this one. Ang shade na ginamit ko with this one is Astra. So easy to use. Let's try second layer with layer tayo. So first layer, nagbibigay siya ng glow on my skin. Pero dito sa second layer, ay pakakang coverage with this one. It blends pretty well with this brush. Saka nagbibigay siya ng coverage. In terms of base products, kung level up na lang level up, si Absidy ang panalo among all the base products. Kasi glow and coverage combination, it blends pretty well with a brush. Ang brushes nila, panalo because it's soft and comfortable. Use it. Isang brush lang to. I think may brush set siya pero out of stock. Out of stock siya everywhere. Kasi ang ganda ng pagka-lapat ng product tsaka very comfortable siya to use. So, that's my review for the Ambient Filter Foundation and may brush na siya.